If you want to use circle to search on a Samsung S25, you got two options. If you are using this navigation gestures, then you can simply click and hold right here. But if you are using three buttons navigation, you will have to click and hold middle button. And now, if you are searching for something, you want to purchase something, or for example, you have wallpaper and you want to get some more information about this wallpaper, then you can simply circle, select anything that you are looking for. And as you can see now, we are redirected into the browser where you can find some, things about this selected items. So in my case, I just select my wallpaper and here I can find some related pictures that looks really close to my wallpaper. You can also for sure go for some products. So as you can see now, it will show us something that we can purchase that looks the same. We get also some visual matches and other things. And we can also get some information about this image. But there's currently no results about this one. But that's how it actually works. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.